Well, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my seasonal Walmart beauty box. If you'd like to see what I got in this box for the winter of 2020-2021, just keep watching. Getting this box for, I believe at least 3 years, and I really am enjoying it. It's just a sample box. It's from Walmart and it's technically free. However, you do have to pay for shipping and handling, which is $5. So I thought, why not? I can afford $5 and it's kind of something fun and inexpensive to get. And of course it's all drugstore items. And sometimes they surprise me, sometimes not so much. But we're going to see what's in this winter box. Comes in a box like this. We'll go ahead and open her up. And here's the inside. Okay. And it comes with a card, Walmart Beauty. And there's some products in here, and some of these I received. I didn't get them all. They have so many items they send out, and I get a few of them. So let's see what I received. First thing I'm pulling out is something from Earth to Skin. It's a coconut aloe hand sanitizer.
Well, that's handy.
I have a lot of hand sanitizer, but one more surely won't hurt. It's nice sizes to stow in my pocket. I don't go anywhere without mine. I have one in my purse, I have a big one in my car, my pocket, everywhere, all over the house. So that's nice to receive. Let's see if they have anything on here about it. Yeah, Earth to Skin hand sanitizer gel. And then the full size is 2 ounces and the full size is $6.99. This is not a, this is a full size. Full size is $6.99 and this is full size, $6.99. I can get it cheaper. Why is this so special? Coconut aloe. Now, some of these dry my hands out, and some of them are really nice and smooth. So let me see here if this is smooth. And sometimes they smell really awful too. I had one, I had to throw it away. I couldn't handle the smell. This is nice. Hardly any smell, so that's nice. Oh yeah, this is nice. It feels really smooth, almost like powder, but it's not powder. Okay, with $6.99, I'm glad I got it for free. Well, yeah, for free. All right, and I'm pulling out something that I've never seen in this box before. It's by Lola. I never heard of this brand. Then again, I'm out of the market for what's in this box. They are regular tampons. They're made with 100% organic cotton. I'm 70. Don't need these anymore. But I have a daughter, a younger daughter. I'll just give them to her, or my granddaughter. So that's different, but very useful for the ladies who need them. And the full size of that is $2.98 and it's an 8 count. Let's see. Okay, so this is an 8 count and it's $2.98. So far I sure got my money's worth. $5 is what I paid for shipping. That's a pretty good deal. Yeah. And I'm pulling out a packet Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen. And it's for skin, hair, nails, joint support. And it's one of those powdery packets you put in water. I have received these before from them. And one doesn't do anything, but I guess maybe if you like the taste, I don't know. I don't use too many powder packets, but I used to. But it's nice. Vital Proteins Strawberry Lemon Beauty Collagen. The full size is $24.98 It's 9.6 ounce. This is definitely just a sample. So, alright, and I'm pulling out a little oil packet by Bio Oil, and is a dry skin gel. Bio Oil dry skin gel. The full size of this is $5.99, and the full size weighs at 1.7 ounces. Clinically proven to improve dry skin with a unique formula that sinks right in, helping to relieve uncomfortable dryness, and is for all skin types. Something from Neutrogena called Stubborn Acne Cream. I don't use this either, but I will see if one of my grandkids want it. It is an AM treatment. The full size of that is 2 ounces, and it retails for $9.97. This is not a full size because this is only 0.3 ounce. But it's a nice little sample, nice. At least it's enough there to see if you like it. Like it just came off, apart from the ship, because they just put it in the box. They don't put anything around to keep it from moving around. But this is from Hard Candy. I've used a few Hard Candy items, and this is a setting spray, 12-hour long wear setting spray. So the size, they don't have it in here. And sometimes they throw in other things besides what's in the pamphlet here. But it's 2.2 fluid ounces, and it's a nice size. I'm wondering if they're full size. So I've gotten setting spray this size, and it's considered their full size. So this is a pretty good box. I liked my last season's box, and I'm liking this one. So we got setting spray, a little packet of Bio Oil, dry oil for dry skin. We have a collagen packet, Neutrogena acne cream, hand sanitizer, and tampons. There is no coupons this time, no leaflets. Sometimes there is. But I'm really pleased with this season's box. And if you're interested in Walmart's beauty subscription, all you have to do is go to their website, walmart.com/beautybox, and it should come up in your search. And just fill it out and you can get it too. Yeah, that's it. It's just a little short video. I just wanted to open this up quickly, just for those who maybe not heard of it. I thought this would be really nice to do for you, this little unboxing, in case you were wondering about the Walmart Beauty Box. It is a subscription. You can cancel anytime. That is my Walmart Beauty Box. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe and go ahead and give me a like on this video if you enjoyed it. I hope you did, and I hope you like me. And also comment. I'd love to hear from you. Alright, I'm going to let you go, and I want you to have a very, very wonderful day or evening, and keep well and safe. Don't forget to wear your face mask. It's getting awful out there. We have to get those shots going so we get herd immunity going pretty soon. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, hopefully by the end of the year. Cross our fingers. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, like I said, sign off and let you go. But again, thank you so much for being here and taking a little time out of your day and spending it with me. Bye.